Hey deformed car lovers, today we have an Audi TT, but it's something I never knew about because this is made by Minichamps, which makes pretty good diecast, realistic looking models. And so they had a whole thing called a bunch of free promo items. They were pullback models, so they're kind of like Choroqs. You can see some images. There's a cool 125 here, and some F1 cars, a 300 SL, an Audi A4 Avant. Some Porsches and stuff. So, well, anyways, if I can find more at a decent price, I will, but eBay prices seem a little bit too high for what I'm willing to pay for. Anyways, let's look at this guy. Yes, so this actually does say Paul's Model Art, Minichamps there. Tells you what it is, Audi TT. What it doesn't tell you is the year it was made, which is unfortunate. There's a screw holding in the front and this tab in the back, very similar to a Choroq. You got rubbery tires because this is a pullback toy, and it seems like a pretty sprightly motor. Oh yeah, I have a feeling that would go really fast across the floor. Let's see here. So what's nice is it doesn't have this ugly coin holder that Choroq is used to having. What I don't understand is why would they make it like this though? Why would they have this little tab? They could have had this tab inset or going the other way. I don't know. It's unfortunate they have to have that, but at least it's not as bad as the coin holder on Choroqs. You do have two exhaust pipes there with actual recesses, which is nice. The TT is printed nicely in silver, and you got red for the taillights. You have the Audi rings here. They're raised. They're just raised. There's no paint, though. There's no license plate, of course. There's no interior on this. It's just a grayed out window. I think it's, I don't know. It is a separate piece. Alright. And then you got these wheels. I'm sure they're standard across most of their pullback toys, but whatever. They're okay, I guess. Door handle details look good. Molding there. Panel cuts seem alright. You got the gray here for the headlights, but I think that's just paint. I don't think that's a separate piece. At least the Audi rings in the front are painted silver, and then you have some nice ribbing in the grille. This is just smooth, but it is recessed. I think it's actually bad paint there. It's like a paint rash or poorly applied paint. This is used, so maybe some kid played with it or put it near a fire or something. Alright, well, it does have some text on the tires here. What does it say, though? ST11, I think? And then I think it says ST11. What's going on here, though? I feel like there's something on the top now. No. I guess not. Just ST11. Alright. Let's compare it to some other things. Alright. I reviewed this before. It's an Audi TT, but I 3D printed my own Audi wheels here. Although you can see the step lines from my crummy 3D printer. I'm using poster putty to mount the wheels as well. So I like this one because it's the convertible version. But you'll see it's a much squatter or more deformed. Whereas this is slightly deformed. Let's say it's half deformed, but this is like 50% deformed, or it just looks goofier. This is an Audi that actually won a race. What is it though? There it is. The R8 from 2004. What I like about this Choroq is it actually has a helmet in there. It's pretty rare to have a driver in Choroqs. And then all this sponsorship is printed on nicely. It's really cool. I like LMP cars. And the last one today will be this really old school one of an Audi 80, is it? Audi Quattro Rally? Yeah, an 80 Quattro. How old is this guy? This one is from like probably 1980, if I had to guess, or that's when it was licensed at least. I would say between 80 and 84. I think that's the year they start marking each year on their bottoms. That one actually has mirrors, whereas the other ones do not. So you can see the length, right? This Minichamps is definitely longer. It probably has the same motor. It's just a bigger toy, I guess, bigger footprint. So it was interesting to find it, just random at some used toy shop there. And if I find some more, I will get them. Alright, well, thanks for watching today. We'll see you in the next somewhat tuned car video. Bye.